Welcome everyone to this new episode of Cold Email Teardown, where we, lemlist, tear down your cold emails to help your business grow. The concept is pretty simple. You send us your cold email and we invite a cold email expert to tear it down and write it again. Today, I'm happy to welcome Estefa, the CEO of Naked Sales. Estefa, welcome, and can you tell us a bit more about you and what you are doing with Naked Sales?
Sure. Well, first off, thanks for having me. Naked Sales Agency is, in short, a lead generation agency. What we do is we bring sales opportunities to our clients, aka sales calls, every month. And our clients are mainly advertising, creative marketing agencies, so service businesses mainly.
Okay, great. And I'm curious, how did you end up in the cold email business?
So I was actually doing cold emails for myself as a marketing consultant and as a copywriter. And I was, enjoying the benefits of doing the reach outs and getting more clients for myself. So I thought, why not offering these services to other people? And that's how Naked Sales started.
All right, so let's jump right into it. On today's episode, we're going to break down a cold email sent by a digital marketing expert that specializes on pay-per-click ads. So first, let's check it out together. So the goal of today's email was to get a reply from established dentists opening up a new office, but who have not cracked their marketing strategy yet. Let's break it down to see what works and what does not. So the subject line is, "Hey, I have an idea for a company name." Now let's jump into the body of the email. "Hey there, buongiorno, sorry for my Italian accent, amici, good day in Italian. I hope this email finds you well. I'm reaching out because I stumbled across company. I saw that you were promoting services and ended up taking a peek further. Most variable city-based businesses in your field want to drive consistent, high-quality, hey, I'm ready to book, so let's party leads to fulfill your market's needs and scale higher profit margin every year. Surprise, this is exactly what I specialize in. My name is Paula and I help businesses like you scale their profit margins through our proven PPC strategy. I thought you're already doing a fair bit, but I have 2 or 3 ideas that I would like to explore with you to increase appointments. I know your curiosity is piqued, but be a bit worried. So how about we discuss further over Zoom? I'm harmless, but my field expertise does pack a punch. Looking forward to hear you back. All right, Estefa, it's your turn. I'm really curious to have your opinion about this email.
All right. Well, first off, I think it's clear that the person really took the time to write this email, to reflect. It's quite a long email. The framework is not quite right in the sense that, one, it's a long email, like I said. It's best to keep it short. Second, she mentioned most city-based businesses, and she didn't mention anything about dentist clinics anywhere. So this email could actually apply to any business in any industry. It would be best to make it more specific. Also, regarding the first part of the email, Paula actually says why she's reaching out. She mentions, I'm reaching out because I stumbled across company name. I would actually avoid saying this because everybody is saying this in cold emails. Everybody is stumbling across other profiles, which is actually not the case. You are actually looking for this business and doing a research. So I think it's best to show that you intentionally were looking for them and that you gathered some information about them in order to do the reach out. The part where it says, surprise, this is exactly what I specialize in. My name is Paula. You actually don't need to waste, and don't get me wrong, waste real estate, space in your email, introducing yourself. If you add in the signature the link to your website, they're gonna check you out. And so you actually don't need to introduce yourself there. Also, at some point where she says, I saw you already doing a fair bit, but I have 2-3 ideas that I'd like to explore with you. I would, avoid just making, judge on what they're doing right now, just because people don't like to be or to feel judged, and this can push them away instead of bringing them towards you. So yeah, in general, I would say that just keep it shorter and more specific.
That's actually like really great insights. But now I have a challenge for you, Estefa. I know that you did write a new version of this cold email. So can you run us through the new version?
Sure. So here's my rewrite. It starts like this. Buongiorno, first name. I saw you running ads on Facebook. I assume you're looking to secure new patients as the team continues to grow. Not sure what your experience advertising is so far. What we hear from most clinic owners is ads aren't profitable anymore. Our experience is quite the opposite. As an agency, we've helped plus 50 clinics get plus 100 qualified leads every month with instant forms, a specific type of ad. Think this could help your team? Happy Friday, your name, the URL of your business, and then your slogan, I made it up, scaling dental clinics with paid ads since 2020.
Okay, that's pretty cool. I think the email is actually much better. I'm curious, why did you rewrite it this way?
All right, so first off, I made it shorter because, as I said, we have very little time with our reader. So best to get it all out there as soon as possible. Also, I kept the buongiorno because I thought it was a pattern interrupt. I thought it was cool and it shows, Paula's personality and origins. So I think that's cool. Then I started with, I saw you're running ads on Facebook because she said in her writing that they were already promoting their services. And this is something that you can actually check on the Facebook ad library, right? So it's just 10 seconds to check this, and it's going to show the person that you've done some research and that you're reaching out based out of a fact, of an observable fact. So I start with an observation. I see that you're running ads, and then I follow with an insight based on that observation, right? Like my tone is tentative. There's a question mark, right? So I assume you're looking to secure new patients as the team continues to grow. Then I move on to, again, very unsure tone, not sure what your experience is so far. Like I don't want to be making any assumptions, but this is what we hear from most clinic owners. And this is a pain point that shows that you know what you're talking about. And then our experience is quite the opposite. Basically, I introduce, some social proof that we've helped plus 50 clinics get plus 100 qualified leads, and how we do it with instant forms, which can pique their curiosity if they don't know what that is. And then I end up with an interest-based CDA. I don't talk about any calls or anything. I just ask if this is something that could interest them or could help them. When you add at the end scaling dental clinics with paid ads, what that does is that is introducing yourself without you having to say, oh, I'm Paula, we do this, we scale other clinics. And as you can see, there's a few different words that are specific to this niche, like patients, clinic owners, dental clinics, so that you see that it's for you as a dental clinic owner.
Estefa, thanks a lot. That was actually really insightful. Thanks for joining us. And guys and girls, if you want your cold email to be analyzed by our team of experts, just fill out the form in the description. And of course, if you want to chat with Estefa and see how she would be able to help you, you can find all of the info about Naked Sales in the description. See you soon.